Everyone's life is driven by something. Many people are driven by guilt. They spend their entire lives running from regrets and hiding their shame. Guilt-driven people are manipulated by memories. They allow their past to control their future. They often unconsciously punish themselves by sabotaging their own success. When Cain sinned, his guilt disconnected him from God's presence, and God said, "You will be a restless wanderer on the earth." That describes most people today, wandering through life without a purpose. We are products of our past, but we don't have to be prisoners of it. God's purpose is not limited by your past. God specializes in giving people a fresh start, and you can do amazing things with the rest of your life. The Bible says what happiness for those whose guilt has been forgiven, what relief for those who have confessed their sins, and God has cleared their record.